Mountains are Earth's undecaying monuments. I knew, of course, that trees and plants had roots, stems, bark, branches and foliage that reached up toward the light. Occasionally I have come across a last patch of snow on top of a mountain in late May or June. Spring won't let me stay in this house any longer. I must get out and breathe the air deeply again. Where hast thou wandered, gentle gale, to find the perfumes thou dost bring? The earth is yet the place of the domicile of man and all the offspring of the first man. The stars that have most glory have no rest. In every walk with nature one receives far more than he seeks. We need to find God, and he cannot be found in noise and restlessness. Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience.